It might be over.
We're going to use here. So the first thing I do, I did wash all of my produce.
Silver might be okay.
Wash it.
The grill. Okay.
So what do you think? They plan on
Hopefully this weekend.
so yeah, so I'm gonna give you the code.
Thank you so much. And are you, I've been calling you the director of the no titles?
I'm going to use this to put the heads
With all
on
the
the
love.
carrots.
Exactly. I definitely will. And I think that I have to be. I have to have
It's beautiful.
You're so much love for
I
it.
got girl got the camera. Yeah, for real though.
I see it all in you.
That's what they together, they for real though.
It was clean. It was right there. This ain't what I had on early when I had my 9 o'clock appointment.
Just to peel just to get the outer layer off.
You want to see it thrive.
So how long you gonna be in Chicago? Are you here temporarily at Carolyn?
No, I'm from Chicago originally. I left for 11 years. Now I'm back, and I am in Carolyn
You just peel it all the way
temporary. And I'm going to get my own place in the area because I felt yeah, this is like a reset period for me while I figure out what kind of place I want to live in next, what job I want to have next. It's more of like a reset, you know? And loving what I found so far. I really like the area.
They're hungry. They want some of the salad. If the dogs get loose, I'm just letting y'all know.
No, you ain't got to. They are young puppies. They get
Okay.
They talk. I was on
And then change it. Same with Carolyn's, because I go in and out.
When you come up to them, they don't.
Somebody came up to them, they jumped.
Seriously, like an adult, lifelong.
They're real friendly. When she gets you know, after a while, you get the right type of training. I know on the train. He even told me, oh, he said, I'm good. Yeah, sorry.
No, you're good.
Wait, when they see a big dog that I when it's well trained, this is she gonna walk this backyard. Any other noise you hear, she still gonna walk. When you might. Other than that, they only go and go from that. Really, you get somebody coming at you aggressive. I pity the foot is. They're trained. When the dog and like you should get them properly trained, they're gonna do just like this back. Stop. Now they react like they're doing because they're young. That's all.
You gotta wait for them to get
I admit, people train dogs to act a certain way when they do that. The person trained, they not trained. Trainers know how to train.
Yeah.
They'll get them and take them. To act a certain dog's name.
I love it. And are some of the Harambe involved with this? I would definitely love it. Because I love this type of when I was in Brooklyn, I was a member of oh no, it was small, neighborhoody in Bed-Stuy. I forgot the name. It was like but I was a member of that for a few months, and that was awesome. That was the kind where you had to work and shit.
How they quiet though, and I think the one that I'm sorry, she started it. I know she.
Oh, no, you're good. You're good.
So, no, I was since I've been around, watch the breed doctor.
So once you get a nice amount peeled into the ribbons, so these are the ribbons that you're
oh, this one will be too.
No, I don't think
next
so.
we'll
This is
move
not
on to the deal.
And can we start finish talking while we walk over to the so they see me? Then they'll stop with barking.
You can press on it, or you can completely omit it.
I didn't mean to make you move all your stuff.
Well, I ain't leaving my purse. But I did.
Okay, yeah, that's
And another thing that you can do, that I'm not going to do today,
but I just want to make sure they can see me.
you can do, get a red onion, so you slice it really thin if you want some extra much.
This is awesome. You guys are just like it's a mandolin now.
Yeah, and slice it really thin like that.
Unitarian, wherever I live.
This is deal.
Okay,
I'm from South Parsley, and I was in the North Side. just giving myself the time, okay, how do I want to do this? In Chicago.
You know, sometimes you don't have to pay that much for your book.
Because I was doing other
right?
so and being successful.
I can cook books for people, but I get them from a books go up and low. Big books, they don't cost like $15.
Right. If you go on thrift books,
yeah, I look at some sites for 30 books.
so I'm gonna do some olive oil in here, just a couple of olive oil. I'm also gonna do red wine vinegar. Now you can do lemon juice, or you can even do lime juice, but you want some acid in it. It's really
I
loud.
was raised by St. Buddhist, so yeah,
Drink the red wine vinegar. Of course, I do kosher salt. And I'm gonna do some fresh cracked black pepper. And I'm gonna show y'all my secret. Y'all don't have to tell me that I use pretty much on everything. You can't go wrong with wheat. What is it? With wheat seasoning. Oh, it really like brings out the dish.
Complete seasoning. Okay.
It's just awesome.
PCC, what's that stand for?
Okay,
PCC Farm, I'll look that up. PCC Health
my little container. He said, you really like that? I said, yeah. Just to have the container. He said, you can take this home with you. I was like, well, Chef Ali.
Chef Ali, yeah, that Moroccan beef salad.
The thing that you need to do is taste your food before serving.
It was a Moroccan
That's right.
beef salad. I think he Moroccan like.
I mean, you know, I might be a little biased. I don't miss 2 hours.
Hey.
So I'm gonna just make add some more carrots just so if anybody else wants to come up, you know, I'm gonna let you guys taste.
It's too bad I ain't got my little bowl. I'm gonna get my little bowl from now when you have it.
There you go.
Nobody don't want it every month.
Take it to go. Mm-hmm.
That's such a nice day, too.
It is.
I mean, after all the
rain.
And the muggy and hot and humid.
I forgot which day it was. I stepped outside and I'm like, it just felt like we were in Florida.
That's exactly what it was.
It felt like we were in
Florida weather in Chicago.
Alligator Alcatraz.
No, if you look at down in the Caribbean countries, the overseas countries, like Asia and Africa, the hottest days that we had, they been looking at 2 days.
Right.
I've noticed that migrants will sit outside of Aldi's and it's sweltering out. They're just sitting out there like
Because most of them
it's
come
nothing.
from,
Yeah.
most of them come from rain rainforest, certain rainforest, it'll rain all day. The humidity will be like 80 or 90.
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, I think the humidity gets. I think Tuesday went out. I was still doing something, and I had this cute dress on, but it had a liner on the inside. And
That liner was burning you up,
It
wasn't it?
was. I said, oh my God.
That's the type of weather you just wear like a t-shirt dress.
Right. It's like, you know, I think one day I went to the pharmacy near my house. It was really hot out, and you know, I had like a flowing halter, like really short shorts, and I said, I just want to be as legally naked as I could get to it. I said it was so
Then, I
hot.
don't know if that really helps because when you go to climates, like I can remember I was like in Arizona, and even though it was like March, it was already in the 80s and 90s. You
Oh
know.
my God.
And then it was like I'm trying to wear as few clothes as possible. The people that live there, they all, you know, I saw young folks wear all with hoodies, and they cover because I guess they don't want to burn. You know, and that's I didn't think about that because I was like, why they got all these clothes on? You know, I guess if you stand out there on the bus, you'll burn. Or even, you know, I was there with one of my relatives, sister, and she was just, I'm like, you know, she just kept it like a shirt or something in the car because I guess you can't burn either, you know, if you just, it's so hot and the car is hot and it's sunny, so she just kind of keeps a long sleeve shirt in the car.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
Wow. Well,
Okay, I'll let you go
6
back.
years old, my dad took me to Mexico.
Mm-hmm.
And of course,
Another
yeah,
place, right.
swimsuit, yep. Swimsuits on, we're wearing shorts. Everybody's like, you know, long sleeve.
Yeah.
Winter.
Right.
For them.
Yep.
So,
Yep. So it's just environment. That's what you grew up with, you know. And like you said, all those places are closer to the equator, and that has a lot to do with, you know. Yes. Yeah, Kyra salad.
Huh?
This a Kyra salad.
Yeah, carrot ribbon salad.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah, it is. Las Vegas is kind of similar. It almost would be like Phoenix and Arizona. It is. It's all the desert. When it get hot down there, I have a friend there, one of my buddies, older sister. She's a professional model. She got her own business out in Las Vegas. I asked if they ever go to the people live there don't know. Exactly. I didn't believe it.